All right, so the next thing they want us to do, I got all fancy with the artwork on this. We got to factor x squared minus 11x plus 28. Now, if you think like this, you got to be thinking, okay, I'm going to multiply two numbers that have to add up to 28, but when I do the plus or minus stuff, it equals negative 11. Right off the bat, 4 times 7. However, 4 plus 7 equals a positive 11. Now, I can change that by making it negative 4 plus negative 7 equals negative 11. Now, why am I worried about negative 11? That's the middle term. Why am I worried about 28? That's the last term. So by making those 7's negative, or the 7 and 4 negative, yep, negative 4 times negative 7 is a positive 28. So I did all this work because I'm going to guess and check. So I've got, look at my line compared to the box lines. So I've got x squared, right? Put the first term in, put the last term in, and I'm guessing that it's negative 7 here and a negative 4 goes here. So negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 7 times x is a negative 7x. What do those add up to? Well, negative 7x adds up to, or negative 7x and negative 4x, they add up to negative 11x. So what I did was I found that this is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 7.